Buenos días.
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 Qué día tan bonito. Hey, yo digo buenos días.
Buenos días. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Qué día tan bonito. Hey, decimos buenos días.
Buenos días. Buenos días.
Buenas tardes.
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 Qué tarde tan bonita. Hey, decimos buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches.
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 Qué noche tan bonita. Hey, decimos buenas noches.
Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Did you like that, boys and girls? We're learning to sing in Spanish. Okay, boys and girls, let's not forget our wish you well. Place your hands on your head and think of someone that you want to wish well. Take a deep breath. Place them in your heart and wish them well. I wish you well. Hi, boys and girls. Welcome. Today we're going to learn about what do you see at a farm. Have you ever been into a farm? Well, in the farm, you will find a barn. See the barn? And at the barn, there will probably be a farmer. See the farmer right here? I am dressed like a farmer. They wear hats or caps to keep the sun away from their face. They wear flannel shirts and they wear overalls and boots to keep themselves safe. Okay, and the next thing that I want you to learn about a farmer is they work very, very hard. See this right here? This is hay. They plant hay and then they get it in a machine and roll it up like this. Hay barrels, pretty much. Don't they look like that? And they work very hard on a tractor. See this? This is a tractor. There's farmer girls and there's farmer men. And they usually have a scarecrow. See the scarecrow? What do you suppose they use the scarecrow for? They make them out of hay. They put clothes on them and they place them by their vegetables and their fruits. So the crows won't come over there and eat their food and their plants. So they use these to scare them. Scarecrow. And what do you suppose they keep inside the barn? What do you think? Do you think maybe they'll have goats, or they might have horses at a farm? They usually have horses. The horses help them to work in their farm sometimes, to gather up the cattle. They have pigs. See the mama pig and the piglet? They have pigs at the farm. They'll usually have a male and a female and babies at a farm. How many legs does a pig have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 4 legs. How about horses? How many legs do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4. What about a goat? They have 4 legs as well. What about ducks? Do you think they have ducks? Yes. Quack, 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 quack. How many feet do they have? 1, 2, 1, 2. The mama and the baby. They only have 2 legs. Horses have 4. Pigs have 4. Goats have 4. What about sheep? See the sheep? They have sheep at the farm. Bah, bah. And the pigs go oink, 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 oink. And the horses go neigh. What about chickens and chicks? Yes, they have chickens in their farm. What comes out of a chicken? What can we eat from a chicken? We make fried chicken, or we eat their eggs. So they have chickens and chicks, baby chicks. Cluck, 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 cluck. And they have cows. See the cows? And the calves? Moo. How many legs do cows have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 4 legs. The ducks have 2 legs. What about, what do you think? What kind of animal do you think a farmer might have at his house? Perhaps a cat? Meow. And little baby kittens? A dog? Woof. And baby puppies. And I have some things that they plant in the farm. Okay, they have all kinds of animals. And farmers also plant. Besides hay, they plant food. All right, boys and girls. We see you next time, Miss Health. I hope you come and join me next time. Bye-bye.